Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look, here I come. In 3, look, 2, look, 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. In the multiverse. Bang, greatest daggone show in the daggone multiverse. We have a great show for you today. Bye. Yes, we do. Great one. Some greatness. All right, guys. Let's check out the show. Hope everyone had a great week. Had a great weekend. All right. So look. Here goes Polygon again. Terra Virtua moves to Polygon. So we're going to check out about that. And Galaxy Digital files for a Bitcoin futures ETF. So, blah, blah, blah. We'll get to that. And then, here it is. The Fidelity. What does Fidelity want to do with crypto? Well, apparently, their crypto ambitions are big. Well, of course they are. It's Fidelity. And so we're going to check out about that. And then we're going to do the shout-outs and daily summary as usual. All right. So let's begin. Now we begin with a bang. Look. And then we head on over here and we do a little bit of look. Oh, yeah. A little bit of refresh. It's a little bit of refresh. All right. Price of Bitcoin. $45,046. And when I left you Sunday, wait, let me get everything ready, daggone. We were at $47,247. So, we have gone down. How much here? We've gone down. $2,201. Down $2,201. All right. Let us look at the top 10 of the day. You know who they are. Actually, there's a new one today. Hold on. Top 10, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Coin, Tether, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, USD Coin, Polkadot, and bang! Look at Solana at the number 10 now. Solana. All right, let's take a look at the markets. Market moves of the day. Looks like single digits up to single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Actually, just mostly single digits down, isn't it? Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Oh, look at you. Avalanche. All right. There's one buck in the trend, 17% up. A single digits up, single digits down, too. A single digits up, single digits down. All right. Let's see who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, go get it because, bang, it is on sale. Looks like the whole market's on sale, really. Let's check it out. All right, these are some steep sales. All right, top 10 losers. Audius, Voyager Token, Theta, Shiba Inu, Thorchain, Kusama, Polkadot, Uniswap, Aave, and Dogecoin. Let's see who made money today, if anyone. Bang! All right, top 10 gainers. Shinfin Network, Avalanche, Arweave, Quant, Near Protocol, Axie Infinity, Revain, Ravencoin, USD Coin, and Paxos Standard. Let's look at the total market cap. Yeesh. All right. Total market cap is $1.904 trillion. When I left you on Sunday, we were at $2.022 trillion. So we've gone down. Uh, we've gone down $0.118 trillion. Okay, let's see what the 24-hour volume is. Okay. All right, well, the volume was huge, which is unfortunate. That means a lot of people came in today and they sold, as you can see from that red market. All right, though, so we are at $125.5 billion on the day in terms of market volume. And when I left you on Sunday, we were at 111.3, so we've gone down $14.2 billion. All right, let's get to the stories. Bang. Terra Virtua moves to Polygon blockchain, citing environmental concerns. So, daggone, here goes Polygon again. Another onboarding. All right, so let's just get to it. So, digital collectibles platform Terra Virtua has moved from the Ethereum blockchain to Polygon in an attempt to be greener. In a Monday announcement, Terra Virtua said it had switched to Polygon as part of a plan to create a more sustainable, non-fungible token, or NFT ecosystem. The platform claimed the move would reduce the energy necessary to create a single NFT by more than 99%. However, Terra Virtua will also remint all digital collectibles previously unsold on Ethereum in the move to Polygon. Our mission is to revolutionize how audiences engage with NFTs and make them accessible to everyone. But we believe that the environment shouldn't have to pay the price for this new game-changing technology, said Terra Virtua co-founder and chief technology officer Jawad Ashraf. By harnessing the power of this new blockchain, we can ensure that our NFTs are limiting their impact. According to Terra Virtua, the move is part of an upgrade to take the platform out of beta testing. The project said it would also be forming licensing partnerships with global intellectual properties, as well as adding features. At the time of publication, the platform is offline as part of an unannounced site-wide upgrade. Users have until August 22nd to purchase Terra Virtua NFTs minted on Ethereum. So the digital collectible platform has been steadily expanding since securing $2.5 million in a private funding round last November. In addition to hiring talent aimed at taking the NFT market mainstream, the platform has also launched a series of high-profile digital collectibles to coincide with a major movie release. All right, so bang, there you go, Polygon holders. Look. Well, here's another one. Here's another onboarding for Polygon holders. It's pretty self-explanatory. This thing, Terra Virtua, is going to sell NFTs, and they moved over to Polygon because it is more environmentally friendly. All right, Polygon holders, bang. Move on. Boom. Galaxy Digital files for U.S. Bitcoin futures ETF. So, as you all know, we follow the ETFs here heavily because we're all waiting for one to daggone come out of America. So, this is the same kind of thing. And like I said on Sunday's show, like, look at what's his name? Big Brains Gensler. He announced that he might be open to a futures contract ETF. Yeah, and look, everyone's coming out with Bitcoin futures ETF applications all of a sudden. Coincidence? Of course not. And so Galaxy Digital is about to throw their hat in the ring. So you all know about these. It's a basket of assets. It's a fund, a basket of assets, and these funds are going to have futures contracts of Bitcoin in them. All right, we're not going to sit around harping on that too much. So Galaxy Digital, a financial services firm that is led by hedge fund manager Michael Novogratz, has filed with U.S. regulators for a Bitcoin futures exchange traded fund. The fund will invest in futures and will not invest directly in Bitcoin. According to the filing with the SEC has yet to approve any of the dozens of applications for crypto ETFs in recent years. Earlier this month, SEC Chairman Gary Big Brains Gensler signaled he preferred ETFs based on Bitcoin futures. Wow. Bitcoin futures are subject to the rules of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, the CME. In April, Galaxy Digital filed for a Bitcoin ETF. Yeah, it's a spot market ETF. Galaxy is a sub-advisor to the CI Galaxy Bitcoin ETF, which has $190 million in assets and which trades on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Bang! So there you go. So, all right. So another ETF, like we've been reading last week and this week, ever since Gensler said that thing about he's open to considering an ETF with futures contracts in it as opposed to spot market. Wow. As you can see, futures contract application, ETF applications with futures, Bitcoin futures in it are flying off the shelves. And so we'll see if he approves one of these or not. But as you can see, everyone wants into the game. Everyone wants to be first. Fingers crossed. All right, let's move on. Bang! Fidelity's crypto ambitions are bigger than expected, says a report. So, you all know who Fidelity is. They're a multi-trillion-dollar asset manager. I've told you about asset managers. So they're mega. Okay. So let's just read the byline here. Fidelity says that 90% of its biggest clients are interested in accessing Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Bang! You know, Fidelity's got, they handle soccer mom and dad's money mostly, but they also handle a lot of mega money as well. The firm is now planning to open up the digital asset space to retail investors. So here they come. Because, right now, Fidelity is custodying crypto for institutions, and they also are offering some. They're offering something. I don't remember what it is. Also to institutional investors. I can't remember what it was. We read about it here. And so obviously now, well, like it says right here, now they're about to open up to retail investors. And so the beauty about Fidelity and retail investors is, well, most retail investors in America, invest through Fidelity. Fidelity's standard here in America, right? I mean, you watch TV for an hour, there's always a Fidelity commercial on or something, right? Yeah, they're mega here. Trusted name, trusted brand. So when they start offering soccer mom and dad crypto, well, soccer mom and dad are going to trust that. You know what I mean? Believe me, the average person, soccer mom and dad have, college savings funds with Fidelity already, IRAs with Fidelity, personal 401ks and stuff like that. It's standard here in America. And so, this is big news. All right, so let's see how big this is going to be. All right. See what we got going on here. So Fidelity's plan to corner the cryptocurrency market appears to be more ambitious than previously imagined. Oh, wait. And I imagined it pretty huge already. So if it's bigger than that, daggone. Well, let's check it out. Than previously imagined, as the asset manager looks to provide more institutional pathways to digital assets. In a recent interview with the Boston Globe, Christine Sandler, head of sales and marketing for Fidelity Digital Assets, said that institutional interest in crypto is growing. For most investors, the primary entry into crypto has been Bitcoin, and to a lesser extent, Ethereum. Tom Jessup, who heads Fidelity Digital Assets, said the pandemic was a major motivator for investors to finally get into crypto. He said, what really got people off the fence was the pandemic, because you've got this scarce asset class. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins created, and an environment where our currency is being debased and there's a ton of money printing. It's no secret that most institutional investors are carefully participating in the crypto market for the first time this year. Institutional investors mostly remain in purchasing Ethereum or Bitcoin directly. Fidelity Investment seems to be one step ahead, aiming to be among the first to offer the infrastructure necessary for investors to directly access the crypto market. Bang! Fidelity is going to build the infrastructure. Oh, they have the money to do it. It was in March of this year that Fidelity submitted the S-1 document to the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, formally seeking the approval of their own Bitcoin ETF, named Wise Origin Bitcoin Trust. At the end of July, Fidelity acquired a 7.4% stake in North American crypto miner Marathon Digital Holdings, which was worth $20 million. Fidelity has also created its own specialized venture capital division called Devonshire Investors, investing in cryptocurrency startups like ErisX, Talos, and Coinmetrics. The company's crypto ambitions have been fueled by a growing demand from customers. But that's what I'm telling you. Demand. They demand it. It's not that they don't want it. It's they can't come get it. They demand it. So look, demand from clients to access crypto investment opportunities. A similar trend is being observed across major financial institutional funds and banks in the United States and globally. It's the Germans. As Cointelegraph recently reported, U.S. bank J.P. Morgan is now offering clients access to 6 crypto-dedicated funds. After their initial criticisms of digital assets, firms like BlackRock, Goldman Sachs, and Citibank have all expressed a more positive outlook on Bitcoin. Meanwhile, a recent survey from London-based crypto fund Nickel Digital Asset Management revealed that the majority of wealth managers expected to increase their exposure to crypto in the coming years. So, bye, there we go. It's all growing. It's all big. And here comes Fidelity. They plan on big moves, big things. And so look. Bye. Good for us. All right, let's move on. All right, what do we got here? Whoops. There we go. We got banks. Larry with the bang. Oh, you changed your picture. All right. Crypto memes. I'm a big fan of Bitcoin and crypto investor. If you want to trade crypto without verification, up to 2 Bitcoin, 24-hour, click below. Bang. All right, love you, brother. Crypto news followed me. All right, crypto news. Love you, the bang. All right, here it looks like everyone's right around here. Bam. Oh, the DMX thing. Yeah. It's a little my weekly musical thing. Bam. Love you, the bang. Connecting the dots. Edwin, the original. Love you, the bang. Technically bullish. Love you, the bang. Beautiful bralees. I'm sure they are. I wish I had one. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bang. Andrew Macheda, the enforcer. Look. What do you think you're doing over there selling? Bang. Settle down. Why? Bang. Because the juice is worth the squeeze. Look. Tell him, Andrew. Love you, the bang. Radster, 1975. Holding down the insurgency in Eastern Europe. Love you, the bang. Pollywood. Love you, the bang. KJ Gatsby. Love you, the bang. Hey, drop a son of a bitch. Bang. 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 Got you wrong, hey? Son of me. Got you again wrong, Kaz. Love you, the known savior. Bang. Grunstable. Love you, the bang. And let's keep an eye out for that thing. Robbie Hardaway. Look, Robbie Hardaway. He's been with us so long, since the Battle of Troy. Yes, you know about the Battle of Troy? The Trojan horse? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that was Robbie's idea. Oh, yeah. Robbie was sitting down with the general. I had the general. He was all sad, like, man, how am I going to take over the city of Troy? Robbie Hardaway was like, look, King, or general, whoever it was, maybe the king, some king. Look, King, why don't you build a big horse and put some men inside? Yeah, and give it to them. Yeah, and then when they take it, your men jump out and you take over the city. Now, obviously the king was looking at Robbie like he was fucking crazy. Robbie, you crazy, dog, the king told him. Robbie said, oh, am I? Yeah. He pulled out a little sour diesel. You know how Robbie do. Robbie said, am I? Really? Rolled up a quick joint and lit it up. He lit it up, and he gave it to the king. All right, he lit the joint. He said, look, King. Just hit this. All right, so the king was like, what is this? And Robbie was like, look, don't worry about it. It's called sour diesel. Just hit that. So the king hit it. Took a good, nice hit. And the king, all right, and then the weed started hitting him. And the king looked at Robbie and said, you know what, daggone Robbie? That might not be such a bad idea after all. That might not be such a bad idea after all. All right, you ever think about that? The story of Troy? Who the fuck would have thought of building a big old horse and putting men inside of it and doing that, right? Yeah, well, someone who's stoned on sour diesel. So the king got high and he said, look, build me a big horse. And then you know the rest of the story. The horse went in. The guys came out, took over the city. Yeah, it's because of Robbie and the sour diesel. All right, a crazy idea. Who would think of such a thing? Yeah, well, someone on sour diesel would. And that's how it went down. Robbie helped take over the kingdom of Troy, or the city of Troy, whatever it was. Look, Robbie, lever for the sea with a bong. Yeah, Robbie and the sour diesel. That's how it goes. All right, where were we here? Sorry. Biniam. He wants another one. All right, Biniam. Lever for the sea with a bong. All right, what's he got here? CB News. What, Biniam? CB News. Leading NFT marketplace. OpenSea hits $1 billion in trading volume in August 2021. So far as daily trading, figures shoot up 12,000%. Wow. Good for them. Good for them. All right, that's enough. That's everybody. Bang. Oh, wait, hold on. Sunny Bee, Spy Lady, Living Lady, Sea Lady, the Assassin. Bang. And here is Universal Misanthrope. Our loyalists from Central Europe holding down the Central European insurgency. Lever with the sea brother. Bang. All right, let's get back to the Death Star. Bang. Look. Bang. Welcome back. All right, so nice quick show today. I mean, there was nothing really to yap about. They are, these are the kind of stories that just explain themselves, right? You don't have to say anything. So, Terra Virtua. So, we had a great show for you today. Bang. All right. So, first story, Terra Virtua moves to Polygon. There's another one, another Polygon onboarding. Another project moving from Ethereum to Polygon. This one was because they want they want to be environmentally friendly, I guess, than Ethereum already is. Well, is it? I don't know. But anyway, look. Oh, it is now because of the 2.0 thing, right? They went from the proof of work to the proof of stake thing. So it is more environmentally friendly. But whatever, man. So another one for Polygon hodlers. Look. Bang. Nice. All right. And then Galaxy Digital files for a Bitcoin futures ETF. So you guys know, we've been reading about them all year. It's just another ETF application. Y'all know what an ETF is. An exchange-traded fund, a basket of assets. You put the assets in the fund, and then you sell it to people if they want it. And so this is another one, like we read. Big Brains Gary Gensler, the chairman of the SEC, the SEC has not approved one ETF in America yet. And he signaled that he would possibly be open to an ETF that's made out of Bitcoin futures contracts from the CME. And so, as soon as he said that, everyone that has a Bitcoin application refiled an application and this time said, we're going to put CME futures in it, Mr. Gensler. Big brains. And so this is another one. I think this is the fifth one in a week. So these guys, obviously, like I said, they all want to be first. Obviously, you want to be the first one to offer that. And so there it is. Galaxy Digital throwing their hat into the ring, and we'll see how that goes. As you know, here we watch every single application, and we will be watching every single application going forward. So we'll keep an eye on it. All right. Bang. And then finally, Fidelity crypto ambitions. So Fidelity wants to come hard and fast. They said 90% of their institutional investors want in. Those are the kind of numbers you want to hear. Because you have to think of Fidelity like how many institutional clients they have. thousands. You know what I mean? It's not just some shitty little, Fidelity is not just some, little, some shitty little something. They're mega, right? They're like a Godzilla. Like they're mega. I mean, there's very few asset managers bigger than Fidelity, like BlackRock. Like that's the level. I think BlackRock's probably the only bigger one, really. I mean, or close, something like that. So Fidelity is mega, and they said 90% of their institutional clients want in. I mean, daggone. So, and they plan on servicing them nicely. So, this is the kind of stuff I'm telling you. Like, once we do get regulatory clarity here, I mean, fuck, it's game on. But I mean, like we just read in the story, it says right now everyone's just getting the Bitcoin and Ethereum. Well, here in America anyway, because you only allowed Bitcoin and Ethereum in America. They're the only two digital assets that we have fully regulated in this country, right? We read about that bank coming out of Switzerland. Yeah, going to offer 13 cryptos. Yeah, because they're already regulated. So they're ready to rock. They're about to, here you go, 13 of them. And it's that kind of stuff. So, when we get regulatory clarity here, oh my gosh, I mean, it's going to be game on. It's going to be so crazy. It's going to be so beautiful. It's going to be a thing of beauty, guys. And so, and a thing like Fidelity, well, now they said it. They're gearing up. They're gearing up and getting ready. And I guarantee you the day we get regulatory clarity, well, fuck. I mean, they're going to be pumping it to soccer mom and dad like crazy, and their institutional clients, the 90% of them that said they want this crypto. So it's all about the clarity, guys. That's all we're waiting for. That's it. I mean, that's it. A nice ETF wouldn't hurt to get the party started, but we're waiting for true regulatory clarity, right? And but once that happens, and it will happen, as you can see, we've talked about it here. Last week, I showed you, like, all of a sudden here in America, all the politicians are fighting over crypto regs. All of a sudden. Isn't that funny? I wonder why. Oh, it's an election year next year. I see. And the banks want in. So the banks are hounding these guys over here. And now they're finally giving us what we need. Like I said, Shomari, man, they're arguing about the crypto. That's good. That's good. If they're not talking about crypto, that's when things are fucked up. Like in 2018, not a peep. All right, no politician was like, crypto, who gives a fuck about crypto? Yeah, every politician all of a sudden is an expert and is coming up with legislation to regulate this space. And this day this place is regulated, oh my gosh, I mean, fuck. Just pop the champagne and look, we will be off to the races. And so, okay, but back to the Fidelity story. So Fidelity's preparing. They're not stupid. They can see what's happening. I guarantee you Fidelity is one of the major donors to political campaigns here in America. Fucking Fidelity is represented in all 50 states. You know what I mean? There's probably about 50 checks that go out every election cycle. Probably even more. They don't care who wins. They just want, I'm sure they give to Republicans and Democrats at the same time, right? Just, look, I don't care which one of you guys win, but you owe me a favor when you do win, right? Like, that's what Bank of America does all the time. And so, right, they give to both sides. Just so, you got to cover your bases. Whoever wins, you're like, yeah, well, I gave to you. Now you got, you owe me a favor now, motherfucker, right? So, beautiful thing, guys. And so we're just waiting for clarity. An SEC ETF approval is going to be a beautiful catalyst to this market. I guarantee we're going to fly the day that happens, or shortly after anyways, shortly after for sure. And because that means the floodgates are opening on that level. And then once we have true clarity, that's it, tsunami time. So it's a little hurry up and wait, but you can smell it now. You can smell that chicken coming now, right? Remember, you come home after church, right? You go to your grandma's house and you can just smell the food cooking. Oh, yeah. Can you not smell the chicken now? Here comes the crypto. Oh, yeah. That chicken smells real daggone good. And so here comes the crypto. It's going to be a little bit more waiting, but not much longer now. Not much longer. Not with an election season coming up. And hungry banksters. So look, everybody. Be happy. And I'll see you all tomorrow. I'll leave it on that note. So on that note, let's shill it and kill it. Bang. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Bang. Subscribe below. Press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. Yes. Yes. In the multiverse. Bang. My name is Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bang. Love talking crypto. Bang. This is the favorite time of my day. So thanks for having me in your home. And I'll see you all tomorrow with another fun fact-filled day of crypto talk. So until then, subscribe here and press the bell. Bang. Watch that video there. Greatest in the multiverse. And I'll see you all tomorrow. My name is Shomari Clarke. Always watching our money. And look. I'm always on duty. Bang. See you all tomorrow. Oh, yeah. Here comes the chicken. Over and out. Daggone chicken. Bang.